How to Upgrade Google Storage, Step-by-Step Guide 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Google storage step by step so you can get more space for your files, photos, and emails. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google One or simply search for Google One Storage. Once the page opens, sign in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. After signing in, you will see your current storage usage, which includes space used by Google Drive, Google Photos, and Gmail. Now tap on the Upgrade or Get More Storage option. Next, you'll see several storage plans, such as 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or 2 terabytes. Choose the plan that best fits your needs. After selecting your preferred plan, tap Subscribe or Buy Plan. Now choose your payment method, such as a credit card, debit card, or another available payment option. Once the payment is completed, your Google storage will be upgraded instantly, and you'll have more space to store your files, photos, and emails. And that's it. That's how you can upgrade your Google storage quickly and easily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and